Hello viewers. Today I am going to discuss with you what is success and how one can become successful in 20s and 30s. Basically, success is goal you set in your life and visualize them. Just imagine health is a patient's aim in life and she or he will be successful upon achieving goal, and his or her struggle towards healthy life is success. A poor person's life goal or target is to get enough money to enjoy all blessings. A person will be successful when his or her goal or target is achieved. Similarly, if an illiterate sets target to be educated, or someone wants fame, other want to be respected, another want people consider him or her pious, or Allah likes him or her, these are all life targets or goals. Many people feel as if they are lifeless creatures. They work hard but do not seem to get something worthy. They have not spent enough time thinking about the outcome they want from life. They have not set their goals. Goal setting is a powerful process for thinking about your ideal future and for motivating yourself to turn your vision into reality. The process of setting goals helps you choose where you want to go in life. By knowing precisely what you want to achieve, you know where you have to concentrate your efforts. You will also quickly spot the distractions that can so easily lead you astray. Spending life without goal setting is like you set out on a major journey with no real idea of your destination. So, first consider what you want to achieve and then commit to it. Set goals that motivate you and write them down to make them feel tangible. Then plan the steps you must take to realize your goal and cross off each one as you work through them. Dear viewers, all top level athletes, successful business people, and achievers in all fields set goals. Setting the goals give you long-term vision and short-term motivation. It focuses on your acquisition of knowledge and helps you to organize your time and your resources so that you can make the most of your life. By setting sharp, clearly defined goals, you can measure and take pride while achieving those goals, and you will see future progress in what might previously have seemed a long, pointless grind. You will also raise your self-confidence as you recognize your own ability and competence in achieving the goals that you have set. If you want to become successful, choose the field of your success and what your goals are, and assess your capability and feasibility of your goal. A child born out of USA can never become USA president, whatever the goal he or she has, because American laws does not permit any non-USA citizen to become its president. Only an American born can become American president. It means goals should be rational, realistically achievable, even though ambitious. Life is a cyclic process and nature has fixed your limitations. That is also true for your goal setting. Actually, students or my dear viewers, success is 100% combination of hard work, honesty, and skillful combinations. Means there is a formula for success, that success is 100% combination of hard work, honesty and skills combination. Like hard work but smart work is 30%, honesty is 50%, and skills are 20%. You might have seen very hardworking people who are unsuccessful. There are many people who are hardworking but they are unsuccessful. There may be people who are honest but struggling, and there are people who are skillful but they fail. You need to secure 100% marks in this exam. If you are just a hard worker, you are 30% successful. Honest but not hard worker, you are 50% successful. If you are skillful and hard worker but not honest, again 50% successful you are. If you are not 100%, you are not successful. Secondly, success is quite simple, really. Double your rate of failure. You are thinking of failure as an enemy of success, but it is not like that. You can be discouraged by failure or you can learn from it. So go ahead, make mistakes, make all you can, because that is where you will find success. Thanks for listening.